Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, gracing your screen with this amazing bowl of goodness. Yeah guys, this is oatmeal breakfast. But as for me, I can have this for my lunch or even for my dinner. Yeah, because it's so yummy, so healthy, so filling, and so delicious. Okay, people, if you want to see how I achieved that bowl of goodness, keep on watching. This is my oats. I'm using Quaker oats, but I think any oat is fine. And over here is my almond milk. And I also think you can use any milk of your choice. You can add some water. Put in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. And while the oat is in the microwave, we can start prepping our banana or any fruits that you're using. Oatmeal is out of the microwave now, so we just have to add the rest of our ingredients. Yeah, mine is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to add a little almond milk. Yeah, just to lighten it a bit. So now I'm going to be adding my banana. Yeah, this is one fruit banana. Yeah, because you can decide to use half if you don't want a lot of banana inside. Yeah, but I'm using one fruit banana because I'm having this for my brunch. Yeah, my breakfast and lunch together. So the next thing, we are going to be adding our chia seed. Yeah, this is very good for your protein intake. Just add enough chia seeds. Wow, that looks good. Yeah, the last thing is adding your nuts. In here I have a bunch of different nuts. There is almond, there is goji berries. Yeah, a lot of them. I'm going to be adding my honey. Wow, so delicious. That's good. What do you think, guys? This is one quick and healthy breakfast. You can use any nuts of your choice and also any fruits of your choice. But as for me, I prefer bananas and strawberries. So we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye.